How to get an animation with a gradient color in an element. This one is very simple as well. The first step is you need to add an element, let's say a headline. And now you need to go to Settings, Advanced, and create a custom class. Now this one can be, for example, animated gradient. Okay. Now just press Enter. Now we have the custom class. All we need to do is just Settings, Custom CSS, and now we are going to use it right here. So we paste it here with a dot, okay? And now we are going to go ahead and open brackets. Now the second thing we need is we actually need the code. And the code is right here. So if you want to pause the video and copy it, it's very simple. You have a background image that is going to set the colors of the gradient. So if you want to change them, it's right here. If you want to change the degree from 45 to 90 or 180, you can do that. It's just basically different directions. The background size is going to be 100%. webkit-background-clip text, same thing for moz. Then we have a text-fill-color for webkit and moz, okay, to transparent. And then we have a webkit-animation with the name of animation. It is going to be 3 seconds. With the ease effect, it's going to be infinite and alternate. All right. Now here the background size is very important because it doesn't work if it is less than 200%. So make sure it's 100% or more, or 110% or more. It basically needs to be bigger than the size of the element. So it needs to be bigger than 100%. Okay. The bigger you make it, the more range they are going to need to go through. Right. So just copy this text, or if you have my CSS master bundle, grab it from the CSS master bundle. Okay. Now remember, we created a gradient or animated gradient, right? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna copy this, we're gonna paste it right there for the add element to work, and then we have the animation. So the animation is gonna be called animated gradient. So now this is different from this. Okay, so you can call this something different. Okay, and you are gonna call the keyframes. You're gonna call you are going to give an image to these keyframes called animation gradient. So if you change these to 2, here you need to change it to 2 as well, so that this element knows it needs to call the keyframes. And the keyframes are these. Okay, I haven't done this. I just copied from a different library resources, and it's just 0 to 50, 50 to 100, and you have it right here. Okay. So this is pretty much about it, and then you go ahead and yes, save. When you do this, you notice that nothing happens. And the main reason why is because you need to go to CSS, and now here you need to say it's for an H1 element. And once you save it, voila, now it has the animation. You can change the colors, whatever you like. You can basically pretty much clone this and it's going to work, and you can change the text. Okay, everything is going to work, no problem. All right. So again, the code is right here. You can copy this, or if you have the CSS master bundle, you can copy from there. And the animations are these right there. Okay, you can copy it from the CSS master bundle as well. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe I have in the description down below. Have a wonderful day.